Okay, I made a video a couple weeks ago about the changes with the Ruger 1022, in particular the model 32004 with the 16.4 inch threaded stainless barrel. And I talked about some of the changes and such there, and a number of the comments said, hey, that's great, but show us how it runs. So, okay, I got another one of those things. Never opened this box. Let's see what it looks like when we get this straight from one of Ruger's finest distributors. So we pop open these things here, and then folds up, and all right, we got paperwork. Oh, 2 stickers in this one. Couple stickers, paperwork, all that kind of stuff. Anyway, what else we got in the box? We got a lock and a rail. This is the most recent Ruger rail for the 1022s. So there's that too. And then the business end. This is what it looks like when we get it. Let's get it out of the bag. Check the muzzle. Yep, very, very loose. The thread protector is very loose and has been on every one that I have looked at. And let's get this flag out. Actually, let's test that auto release. So it's a Ruger logo on the flag. So we got the auto release. All right, that looks good. It's got a magazine in it, and I mean, it comes out of the box ready to go. Let's flip the sight up in the back. Not going to attach anything to it. We're just going to run it and see what it do. Got the Athlon set up. I don't know how we're going to get an angle here. Let me try the other side. Devil's hand messes with everything. Let's see what we got here. We're going to be looking at the middle. There's no optic or anything on this, so we're just going to look at the middle of the big target, and just right out of the box, everything runs fine. No big surprise there. The stock definitely has the terrible cheap plastic feel to it. The bolt runs nicely. I like the gloss black. The BX trigger, it's got a really good trigger feel. You notice that right away. Definitely different from a stock 1022 trigger. So, not a lot of surprises. You're not expecting a lot of surprises from the 1022. One of the nice things though with this one is that we do have the threaded barrel. For some reason the Athlon didn't pick up any of those. I must have been too far away. We'll change orientation. But we are going to stick on the next level armament, Varmint 22, and see how this runs with a suppressor, because that's kind of what it's made for. Things are lined up pretty good. By the time you would tighten that fully, it's going to be lined up with the barrel and look kind of nice. So that's good. Let's see what it does with the suppressor on there. The sights are completely clear. There's no there's no obstructions with the suppressor. It's small enough that even the stock 1022 sights have no issue whatsoever. Honestly, I see less of a difference with the next level Armament Varmint 22 on the rifle than I did with the previous video, which was the Taurus TX22. Same rounds. I mean, obviously we are supersonic. We're using Super X's. Would there be a difference with its subsonic? Probably. But just grabbing something out of the box to see what it does, that's what we're looking at. Did it suppress it? Yes. Is it enough to make a difference? Not with these rounds, not in my opinion, but probably running some subsonic, you would probably see a bigger difference. But anyway, that is the Ruger 1022 model 32004, fresh out of the box, throwing some rounds through it, and I will see you next time, YouTube. Take care.